Today I'm gonna show you how you can create conversion event in Google Ads. Search Google Ads. Select. Here sign into your Google Ad account. Here on the left side of your screen, select goals. Under goals, select summary. Select new conversion action. Where do you want to measure conversions? Conversions on a website, conversions on an app, conversions from phone calls. If you want to track your website conversions, select website. If you want to track your app conversions, select app. Or if you want to track your phone calls, then select conversions on phone calls. I want to track my website conversions, so I will select conversions on a website. Save and continue. What's important for you to measure? What do you want to measure on your website? Purchase, sign up, subscribe, submit lead form. We'll select submit lead form. Create a new conversion action. Select setup manually using code. Here select conversion settings. Here you will have a most important settings. Action optimization. For this goal, choose if this is a primary action for bidding optimization and reporting or a secondary action used for observation. Whichever the objective you want to measure or track, it is a primary or a secondary. Like I have selected a submit lead form. I want to track leads, so which is my primary objective. So select primary. Conversion name. Here you have to give a name. Any name, you can give any name. This name is just to know which conversion event you are tracking, just to know yourself. So I'm gonna give name it as RW leads conversions. RW is my website short name. Value. Measure the impact of your advertising by giving conversions a value. Use the same value for each conversion. Use different values for each conversion, or don't use a value for this conversion action. You can give a value to Google in order to measure your conversions. If you want to give, you can select use different values for each conversion, or use same values for each conversion, or don't use a value for this conversion. I will select don't use. Count. Select how many conversions to count per click or interaction. If you have a e-commerce website, then every is recommended. If you have a lead generation website, then one is recommended. Here don't select anything. Keep it as it is and select on done. See, here we have created a conversion event. Select save and continue. Once you select save and continue, here you will find a Google Tag installation page. If you have already installed Google Tag, you will get the interface, see event snippet like this. Or if you haven't installed Google Tag yet, then you will get the option for installing the Google Tag. Here select see event snippet. This event snippet gives a code. This code helps you to track the conversions of your specific page. You just have to copy this code and go to your website, log into backend of your website. Here you have to install the plugin called HFCM for pasting this code. Install the plugin HFCM, then go to HFCM, then add new snippet. Here give a name of any name, snippet name. I will give RW thank you page code because I want to track the conversions of my thank you page. Here site display, select specific pages. Here you can paste that code. Select save and go to your Google Ad account. as I have already created a snippet, so I'm not gonna save. Go to Google Ad account and then close and then select finish. See, here you have created a conversion event. I have created a conversion event for submit lead form. Here the status is once configured because we have not created any campaign yet. Once you select the down arrow, conversion action name is RW lead conversions, action optimization is primary, conversion source is website, that is I want to track my website conversions. All conversions are zero. Is zero because we have not created any campaign yet. All conversion value is also zero. Status is inactive because we have not created any campaign yet and there is no campaign running, so it is not active. Once you create or run a campaign, then the status will be active and you can able to track your conversions. Now I'm going to show you how you can track your entire website conversions. For that you have to select tools. In tools, select data manager. Here you can see your Google tag. If you have not installed your Google tag, here it will also show you to install Google tag. Here select manage. See your Google tag, installation instructions. Yes, here select installations instructions. Install with a website builder or CMSs or install manually. You can install manually as well. Here you will have a code. This is a global site tag, Google tag. This code helps you to track your entire website conversions. Any actions you want to track on your website, then you can track with this code. You just have to copy this code and go to your website, backend of your website, HFCM plugin, select HF and add new snippet and give us snippet name, like I want to give RW lead conversions. Here in site display you have to choose an option site wide because we want to track entire site conversions. Here you have to paste the code, then select save and then go to your Google Ad account, and that's it. So this is how you can create a conversion event in Google Ad account and install Google tag to track your website conversions. See you in the next video. Thank you.